This is the Plextone xMowi RX3 Gaming Earphone, probably the best budget gaming earphone in the market. Let's go! Unboxing the box directly greets us with a simple package that includes the earphone, input splitter adapter, extra earbuds, paperwork, and a detachable microphone. This detachable microphone is not exactly new to me. I used the Oni G30 and I still have it here, and doesn't seem to have any difference from what comes from the RX3. Let's talk about the design. Ear hooks are something you're most likely to immediately spot. These are helpful hooks that gives it a gaming accent and to help earphones stay in place. A braided-like cable that promotes durability compared to other cheaper materials. All-shaped 3.5mm jack that promotes better gaming experience or handheld devices, and of course the detachable microphone with a grippy texture and is flexible that allows better positioning whenever used. It supporting a detachable microphone is its main selling point, but this detachable microphone is exclusive for the earphone, as it has different jack that won't work on other devices. Detaching the microphone leaves us with built-in microphone located at a control bar that makes it a dual microphone gaming earphones. But unfortunately, this detachable microphone doesn't have any kind of noise cancelling technology in it, so if you're looking for an earphone to lessen your background noise, this isn't for you. The control bar has multiple functions that you can always check in the included paperwork. Let's give it a test. This is how the detachable microphone sounds like. This is how the built-in microphone sounds like. And this is how my phone's built-in microphone sounds like. As the test shows, the detachable microphone doesn't have any noise cancelling feature, but do indeed provides a clear audio while using it. Using the earphones for quite some time, I would personally say it's just fine. I'm not an expert for earphones, but this sounds just fine and justifies its price. If you're an audiophile, you may find it lacking some areas, but totally bearable for normal people. Being advertised as a gaming headset, we gotta do some gaming tests for popular titles. For shooter games, absolutely will allow us to hear footsteps that help detect nearby units. As it has 3.5mm jack and can work on various devices, you can definitely use it for PC games, and in fact, majority of the buyers uses this for their PCs. And of course, this budget earphone needs some care. Just don't abuse it and keep the maximum volume not too high to prevent unwanted events. Let's talk about customer feedbacks. This product is insane. Checking out their official Shopee page, this product boasts 4.9 rating with over 5,000 feedbacks. The rating alone would absolutely make me want to buy this product, and of course of how customers love it. We have 3 color variants, red, green, and black. They also have bundle choices if you like some bag, but I still have the bag included in my G30. If you're someone that just doesn't trust online shop, this product is listed under Shopee Mall, a verified store guard, 100% product legitimacy. Time for my take. I do personally find this perfect for gaming purposes, but for listening music, just fine. For its price, it's absolutely justifiable. I also do commend them for releasing a Type-C version for people who plan to use it mainly for mobile devices. And ta-da! Thanks for Plextone for sending this unit to me, and a special code for viewers to take advantage of.